Today's job is for Oracle Cloud Architect and it is based in Canberra, Australia. And the company is Oracle. Canberra is Australia's capital. It's quite cold these days, so beware if you are cold averse. But the job looks really hot. This job is for a cloud architect who should be well versed in cloud technologies or any cloud technology like AWS, GCP, Azure. But more importantly, you should have good grasp of Oracle Cloud infrastructure concepts, especially its infrastructure as service and platform as service technologies. And you should also have some exposure and experience while working with the pre-sales. You should also be good in assisting teams or allocating resources and responses for RFXs and other technical requirement documents, all the stuff which is the forte of an cloud architect. You should also be quite confident and at ease presenting Oracle's technologies and infrastructure, demonstrating deep familiarity with company's infrastructure, security, and integration capabilities. These days, Oracle is portraying itself as a cloud company, but beware that Oracle is quite an old, mature company with a very clear leader when it comes to RDBMSs. So you should be aware of Oracle's history and where it is coming from. As part of this role, you should be working with pre-sales team, also with the technical teams. And if you have any certification, that always helps while talking to the customers. And you should also have some familiarity with third-party and Oracle architecture frameworks such as TOGAF, ECAL, and various others. So any one of them should be okay. And if you have any experience in conflict resolution or negotiation, change management, then that's highly, highly useful for this role. One important thing, this is Canberra based job. So if you are in Canberra or willing to move to Canberra and you think that this job is for you, then go to Oracle's website or go to LinkedIn, Oracle's page, and then apply directly from there. Thank you very much.